Hi guys, how are you?
Hi,
Good, how are you?
Karina.
Yeah, I want to know how you like your design, how was the experience with us?
I think it was great. We love the design. It turned out
Yes.
perfect. We get to live in it every day, and we're super happy to have a place like this to call home. So we certainly appreciate the design. Overall experience, I think, was great. You guys were very flexible, so anytime we needed anything, just kind of a text message away. So for that, we were super grateful. Anything you want to add? Or?
No, just the whole process of being able to customize everything. I know we had lots of changes that
Yes.
you were able to accommodate,
Yeah.
so that was
Yeah.
amazing.
No, the flexibility was great. The ability to just say, hey,
Claro.
you want to move this island, and you guys were able to accommodate. So that's
Yes.
been great.
Oh, I'm glad you like it, and thank you so much for everything, and I hope you can recommend us with everybody.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Definitely. Thank you.
We've already recommended you guys to several
Yes.
people. So yeah,
Thank you, thank you.
yeah.